Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Friuli Venezia Giulia launches 24.5 million plan to combat extreme weather. The region of Friuli Venezia Giulia has announced a permanent 24.5 million fund to help towns prevent floods and landslides after a record rainfall hit FVG this year. Officials say it's a long-term investment in safety and resilience, ensuring quicker action and stronger defenses as severe storms become more frequent.
Intanto noi vogliamo confermare e rafforzare tutte le misure in essere. Questa è stata
25 milioni, alla quale aggiungiamo i 3 milioni che abbiamo speso nelle immediate emergenze che sono accadute. Il territorio è fragile dappertutto. La linea di costa sta dando nell'ultimo tempo anche delle conseguenze importanti.
Friuli Venezia Giulia faces record low in birth rates.
In Friuli Venezia Giulia, the cradle is emptying fast. Just over 2,500 babies were born in the first 5 months of this year, a record low. And in many towns, years pass without a single newborn. The region is aging fast. Women are no longer having babies or are having less babies. Why do you think this is happening?
Oh, maybe for work, because we don't have a lot of work for young women, and for the career too, because the woman must study a long time and have no time for do a family or baby.
Because of the economy we're living in, because there isn't enough money, we are making enough money to sustain babies and to have a family. So probably because of this, and because many times when women want to work, they are asked if they are thinking about having babies. So if they're thinking about having babies, they're not getting the work, the job and everything.
I agree with her. Yes, Italy doesn't give you enough money, enough salary to raise baby, to have a family. Even alone, you can't live alone only with your salary, so that's why many people are going outside Italy.
Friuli Venezia Giulia law aims to keep young talent and women in the region. Friuli Venezia Giulia is launching a new law to keep young people and women in the region. It offers training programs, research opportunities, and family support, including housing incentives. Officials say the goal is to create real opportunities so residents can build their futures at home. Tarvisio prepares for World Cup skiing return after 15 years. Women's World Cup skiing returns to Tarvisio after 15 years. On January 17th and 18th, the world's top racers take on the Di Prampero ahead of the Milan Cortina Olympics. Tickets opened November 17th with the new digital tools and fan experiences launching for the event.
un percorso per cercare di arrivare ovviamente all'importante. Siamo riusciti a riconquistare un evento, anzi tra gli eventi più importanti a livello mondiale del settore, con una visibilità enorme per la nostra regione. Ci auguriamo che questo sia l'inizio di un nuovo percorso che possa rendere sempre maggiormente attrattive per queste competizioni il nostro territorio.
Un aumento costante dell'indice di gradimento. Grandissimo motivo d'orgoglio. Io dico poi queste piste, la di Prampero non è che viene scelta a caso, ma viene scelta anche per la qualità della stessa e per la capacità che abbiamo dimostrato noi come strutture, come organizzazione del Friuli Venezia Giulia di organizzare eventi anche in passato, non ultimi quelli dei giovani.
Trieste Museo del Mare has reopened Lloyd's section with new exhibitions.
After a year of renewal, Trieste's Museo del Mare reopens the historic Lloyd section at Magazzino 26. Thanks to the support of the region, the new exhibition presents a captivating journey through 2 centuries of maritime history, from the founding of the Lloyd Austriaco in 1833 to the great ocean routes of the 20th century. Paintings, models, documents and photographs come together to tell the story of a company that connected Trieste with the world through innovation and resilience at sea. The new layout enhances accessibility and transforms the museum into a dynamic space of study, conservation and discovery.
Might be an American tradition, but many celebrated Halloween this Friday night in Trieste.
We are celebrating because of the kids, because it's very nice. nice here in the city center, and we like having fun.
We just moved from the United States.
Halloween.
We love the party because of the kids.
Because
we love
of
costumes
party.
and everything.
Yeah, it's cakey and on cosplay Murder Jones.
Just because of the children, it's fun, and we apply makeup, and it's fun.
Many travelers chose Trieste, the capital of Friuli Venezia Giulia, for the long weekend.
With Monday being off, celebrating patron saint San Giusto, a long weekend ahead for the city of Trieste.
So we will go to a party in Ljubljana. We're Erasmus students, and yeah, that's kind of it.
I'm gonna stay at home, and I have a football match, so this is my plan.
Oh, I stay in Trieste. It's a wonderful city, and I like to enjoy the sun, the sea, and there are many activities to do. And it's an historical city, and there are many bars where you can sit and have a glass of wine. So there are many activities to do.
For this weekend, I'm going to see some of my friends because yesterday was my birthday.
Stay at home and watch Netflix.
Well, I stay at home because I'm retired.
This weekend, I think, is an Halloween weekend, and we can have some party in the city. There is a holiday, so we don't go to work. I think I will do a long breakfast. I love breakfast with pancake. And actually I don't have plan because the weather, I don't like if it is well or not well. But Miramare Castle is in the plan if the weather is well.
Thank you for watching Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.